Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLS 450 4MATIC. Got a black exterior here and a black interior. Memory seats and premium Burmester sound system. 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and CLS 450 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Your driver seat controls, heated, ventilated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 13,919. Steering wheel controls, push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and our backup camera, climate control, and center console. Also has LED ambient lighting throughout. If you'd like to see more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.